You are walking into an arena, and you must be ready to work. There could be no weakness. That could be no excuses. The application, and how you apply it, would determine the outcome of your success. This place of business, you cannot mess around and play games with it. This place of business is where you pay your dues, you earn your keep. You do what's necessary to push every rep, because the repetitions are gonna come down on you really hard. For every rep, there will be a significant story to tell. Will you be able to push the next rep? Will you have just a little bit more power to get the next one? For every rep, tell us a story about you. So what are you made of? What are you prepared to do? Are you holding on to something? It won't help you to push the extra mile. That won't help you to push that extra rep that you need. Will you finish what you start? Or will you make excuses? What is it going to take for you to wake up and realize that in this place there is no easy? The truth of the matter is, how are you? So emotionally injured, so mentally drained, so physically fatigued that you have allowed your dream, your destiny to take a back seat to this excuse that you don't have what it takes, that you're not smart enough, that you're not tall enough, that you're not wide enough, that you're not deep enough, that you're not connected enough, that you don't know enough people. You keep comparing yourself to that person and this person. When will the excuse me stop? When will you see your purpose bigger than your excuse? I don't know your name, but I know you have a dream, I don't. I don't know where you're from or where you're listening to me. You may be listening to me and you're closing your bedroom, the gym, the car, the bus, the train, the plane. I don't know where you're going, but I know you are going to where you've got a destination. People that make excuses are not connected to their destination. They don't have an end game. They don't have a goal. You have allowed yourself to become a weak link, covered under the blanket of excuses. But I'm just wondering if there's anybody in there that has a dream. And if you've made your excuses bigger than your dream, the time is now to apply pressure. It may not be easy, but it's not impossible. This is not I feel like it today. This is not an unmotivated for a week. This isn't every single day mentality. You may have to work 3 times. You may have to lose sleep. You may have to go to college and raise 5 children and still maintain your marriage and work your side hustle. I don't know what the story is, but if you will keep a no excuse mentality, then this guy 5 to limit the sky. It's your starting point. This isn't every single diamond challenge. I've never get turned off. Every single day I want my destiny. I Want my dream when somebody is in love with who they've been called to become. What they've been called to fulfill, what they've been destined to do. There is no day off, there are no like listeners. Can't turn me off, I can never get turned off. Every single day I'm giving everything I have, that's how big my dream is, and so there's no excuse. There's no pain, there's no dilemma, there are no speed bumps, there's no distraction that can turn me off. I'm not a light switch you can't, I'm not, I want this thing every single day.